Praj Industries Ltd, a biotechnology and engineering company. Company has 4 decades of experience in bioenergy and engineering business, where they design, engineer, fabricate and commission ethanol plants, and offers water and wastewater treatment, brewery plants, and supply high-end equipments to oil and gas, petrochemical, fertilizer industries. About 74% of the revenue is generated from bioenergy business, 19% from engineering, and 7% from its fully owned subsidiary, High Purity Systems Ltd, which provides highly pure water to pharma and biotech and wellness industries. The company was incorporated in 1983 and got public in 1994. They are based in Pune, with more than 1,800 employees and 6,500 workers. Company has 4 manufacturing plants, located in Pune, Mumbai, Kandla, and Mangalore, and 3 global offices in Thailand, Philippines, and USA. The market cap of the company is 14,734 crore rupees, and currently trading at 802 rupees per share. The company has a 39% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 50% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. In February 2023, company signed MOU with France-based Axons to work on sustainable aviation fuel projects in India. In July 2023, company formed joint venture with Indian Oil for building biofuels production capacities. Company commands about 10% market share of global ethanol production. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign and domestic investors are buying from the public. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 6 rupees per share was paid in fiscal year 2024. Company served more than 1,000 clients from 100 countries, with revenue concentration of 82% from domestic and 18% from exports. Some clients of the company are Reliance Industries, British Sugar, Air Products, Fluor, Wilmar, AB Sugar, Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, and more. More than 40% of the business is from repeat clients, with strong order book of rupees 4,044 crores. Company is net debt-free and has filed over 400 patents, out of which 104 patents have already been granted domestically and internationally. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.